Good morning students, this is your mathematics class and as you know that we are discussing about data handling in these video series, and in previous video we had completed pictograph and bar graph. In this video we will discuss about the mean. Only one topic we will cover today, mean. So what is mean? Mean is the particular thing where two or more observations is obtained by dividing the sum of observation by the number of observations. This is a particular formula based questions exercise 1C, where a simple formula is forming. Mean is equals to sum of all observations, where we find out the average mean or arithmetic mean, where sum of all observation is divided by the number of observations. What are the number of observations we have, and we have to find out the sum of all observations to find out the mean. This simple formula will use in this exercise, in exercise 1B. Suppose we have any data like 6, 9, 13 and 8. This is the data we have, and we have to find out the mean of this data. We have to find out the mean of this data. So how can we find it? Simple formula we have, mean is equals to sum of all observations. What are the observation? These are the observation. And what is the meaning of sum? Addition. So we have to find out the additions of all numbers, sum of all observations, and divided by the number of observation. How many numbers are this observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. So simply we have to find out this. Now what is the formula to find out the mean? When you will solve the question, in each and every question you have to write out this formula to learn it. Mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. This formula you have to write in each and every question. What is the sum of all our observations? 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 8 divided by how many numbers in this particular observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the sum of this observation? 36 upon 4, and then simply you will divide. 4 9s are 36. So what is the mean of this particular data or given observation? 9. This is the answer. This simple formula will use in each and every question in different ways, and then you will find out the mean of the particular question. In some questions you will get the mean and number of observation, you have to find the sum of observations. In some questions you will get sum of all observation, number of observation, you can find out the mean of the observation. So it will a circle in any question, but the formula will this formula will use to find out any question. When you will solve the question, what you will do? You have to write the formula first. Without writing the formula in exam, I will cut 1 marks definitely. You have to write formula also in every question where formula is required. So I think we have to move to exercise 1C. Yes, so this is 1C we have started, and as you can see there are some questions over here in 1C. Find the mean of the each following sets of data. You have some sets of data. In first question you have 8 parts. So in every part you have to find the mean. Simple formula we will apply in every question. So let's take question number 1. What is question number 1? We have data 5, 7, 13, 18, 25, 28. 5, 7, 13, 18, 25 and 28. And what we have to find? We have to find mean. And previously we have seen that to find out the mean, we have to find out the sum of all observations and the number of all observations. So what is the formula? Formula you have to write in every question. Sum of all observations and number of observations. This formula you have to write in every question. Now, sum of all observations. So simply write all the observation. 5 plus 7 plus 13 plus 18 plus 25 plus 28. And how many numbers in this observation? Count करिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there. So divided by 6. No matter what, how many observations are there. If 20 observations are there, you have to divide it by 20. If 30 observations are here, you have to divide it by 30. Whatever observations is here, you have to divide by that number. So what is the sum of these numbers? 96 divided by 6. And the mean will be 6 1 is 6, 16. So what is the mean? 16. Divide. Everybody knows how to divide. Everybody knows how to find out the sum of the questions. So simply you have to divide this particular question and you can find the mean. Now question number 2 you will do by yourself. Question number 3. So in the part 3 you have to do simply you will write all the observations. 275, 326, 456, 680, 320, 840, 728 and 175. So how can you find out the mean? In every question same formula will be used. You have to add all the numbers and divide it by the number of observations. So you will write the formula also. What is the formula? Sum of all observations upon number of observations. So what is the sum of all observations? 3800. And what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So simply you will divide it. How can you divide? 8 4s are 32. Then what you will do? 8 7s are 56. 4 is remainder and the 0. 8 5s are 40. So what is the mean of this number? 475. So in this way you can find out the mean in every questions. So as you can see 8 parts are there and in every part the same process will follow. So you can do it, you can try it at least, and if you have any query then you can ask. Now we will move to the next part. Find the mean of each of the following. So simply the formula you will use the same formula. Mean is equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Number of observations. This formula you will use in second part also. So as you can see, in first part you don't have any data. You have to write out the data also. So I am telling you how to write a data and then you can follow the same process. So the first part is the first 10 even numbers. What are the first 10? Find the mean of the first 10 even numbers. Simply, what are the first 10 even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. See, are they 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 even numbers. They all are divisible by 2 and they are 10 even numbers. If the question wants 20 even numbers, then simply we can write 20 to 24 in this way. So we have the data now. The same formula you will use. Mean is equals to sum of all numbers divided by number of observations, and you can find. So what is the sum of all numbers? Sum of all numbers is 110 divided by 10, because these observations have 10 numbers, 11. So 11 is the mean of first 10 even numbers. Now simply second part. In second part, the first 8 odd numbers. Simply you can write, you know what are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. They all are odd numbers. Counted they are 8 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are 8. So the number of observations is 8. And the sum of all numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. Then add all the numbers. What is the addition of all numbers? 64 divided by 8. 8 8 is 64. So 8 is the mean of 8 odd numbers. First odd numbers. Same part third. First 5 prime numbers. Prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers. You know what are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. They are divisible by their own or 1. So they are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 5 prime numbers, and you can add them. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 and divided by 5. And you can find out the mean also. First 7 natural number. Next part is first 7 natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Started from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add them all and divide it by 7. What is the addition? 28 divided by 7, 4. Simple. Now first 10 whole numbers. So whole number started from 0. 0 is also a whole number. So we will write from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, they are 10 or not? 0 we have to count 0 because 0 is also a whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now they are 10. Add them all and divide it by 10. Now first 10 consecutive positive integers. Consecutive first 10 integers. So as if you can see the number line. So number line, this stands for 0, and from here all numbers are positive integers, and here all numbers are negative integers. So positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in this way, and negative -1, -2, -3, -4. So if you want 10 consecutive means 1 by 1 in the series. So first 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Add them all and divide it by 10. So I hope you can understand the concept to find the mean of any number. Now you will try the remaining parts at your home, and if you have any query then ask me through the WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.